Hey friends, this is Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas in the key of G. This is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure if you look in the description below the video, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so the chords that I'm going to teach you today are G, A minor, B, D, and E minor. Let's dive in. So I'm going to show you a G chord right here, actually. So if you look for this group of 3 black notes, you're going to find the G tucked in there. So play every other note, G, B, D. Okay. A minor is right next door. If you move up one set of notes, A, C, E. Okay. Then for the B chord, I'm going to come down here to this B, which is kind of found to the left of the 3 black notes. Here's the B. So we're going to play B, D sharp, F sharp for this chord. It kind of makes this curved line. White, black, black, curved line there. Okay. And then we have D chord. We're going to play D, F sharp, A. Okay. This chord makes a triangle shape. D, F sharp, A, triangle. That kind of helps to see that one as that way. And then our last and final chord is E minor. Move up one set of notes and play E, G, B. Okay. All right. So the right hand is going to be playing chords. Left hand is just going to be playing single notes. So I would keep your left hand, probably for this song, I would put pinky on G, line up these 5 fingers and keep this hand here the whole song, playing single G when you play the G chord up here. A minor. When you play the A minor up here, you play A single note. B to B, okay? D to D, and then our E. And here for that E, when we play the E minor up here, you're just going to open up that thumb and play one single note by itself. And you don't have to move your hand out of position because you're going to lose track of where you're at. Okay, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 and then we'll break down the rhythm. Okay, here we go. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your light be light. Next year, all our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. Next year, all our troubles will be miles away. All right. So how we're bringing those 2 hands together for this fun carol is a rhythm I call 1-to-2 ratio. That simply means we're going to be playing both hands together, then just the right hand. Together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on the G position. Together, right, together, right. It's a really simple way to chord along to this song, and then you can build from there as you learn more skills, okay? All right, so let's first talk about a little bit of patterns that I see in this song because that'll help take out a lot of the overwhelm. So the first 2 lines of the verses are repeating. So we have G, E minor, A minor, D. G, E minor, A minor, D. You see that same 4 chords repeat a lot. And then on the bridge, we're going to have lines 1 and 3 repeating, lines 2 and 4 repeating. Verse 1 and 2 are the same, it looks like. So really, if you take care of the verse 1 and 2 is going to be 2/3 of your song, right? And then you just have the chorus to learn. So it's kind of fun to be able to see patterns, repetition, and that helps take out some of that overwhelm that you might face in your playing. Okay, so let's walk through it. And if you want to just do right hand only when you're working through this and then left hand only, that would be a good way to start as well. Okay, here's G chord. Have yourself E minor. And this is where that thumb opens up one note here. Self A minor. Merry little D triangle. Christmas. Okay, repeat that same 4 chords. Let your E minor heart be A minor, light, D. Repeat again. Next your E minor, all our, it gets high here, A minor, troubles will be D, out of D, B, sight. There you go. And then repeat. Have your E minor, self, A minor, merry little D, Christmas. Repeat. Make the Yuletide, A minor, gay, D. Repeat for the most part here. Next year all our A minor troubles will be. Here's that B, miles, oh, E minor, way. And then I think the G could connect there while you, I don't know if it's a transition chord or not, but then that bridge starts with the E minor. So you could probably just hang out in that E minor. I think it'd actually sound better. I might just cut that out. I think it'd just kind of be better to do miles away, hanging out on that E minor, and then transition into the bridge with the E minor as well, okay? So let's take a look at that bridge. E minor, again, this thumb is just opening up that one single note. Here we go with that E minor, once again. Once again, as in. Okay, here's a B minor. I forgot to teach you this. So we had B, which was this black note up here. And now we're just moving that third finger or that third note down one half step. And you still play B down here. Olden days, happy A minor, golden days, D of your G. Okay, repeat those same 2 lines. Faithful friends who were B minor, dear to us, will be E minor, near to us, D, once more. Okay, pretty fun. And then it goes to verse 2. Someday soon we'll all be together if the fates allow. Until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas. All right, so break it up into those 2 sections. See that repetition, right hand only, then bring the left hand in, and then bring those 2 hands together. You can do it. Play and sing along with me. You can slow down the playback speed in the settings of each of our videos. So if that helps take out some of that overwhelm as well, have a lot of fun. Here you go. Have yourself your heart be light. Next year all our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. Next year troubles will be miles away. Once again, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who were dear to us will be near to us once more. Someday soon we'll all be together if the fate allows. Until then we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Once again, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us will be near